Hello guys and welcome back, or if you've reached us for the first time, welcome to our channel. Our motorhome Nessie has been put into winter storage as Karen and I are spending a few months here in sunny Florida over the winter period. We do however still have some van cooking footage that we've still to share with you, so while we're here in Florida we're going to upload those videos for you. In this first video we are baking some delicious bread, and that was taken while we were away in the French Alps. I hope you enjoy the video. So tonight I'm going to bake two loaves. One is a plain white loaf and the other with cheese, jalapenos and spring onion. So I start by adding 200 ml of tepid water and 200 ml of milk to a bowl. I add 10 grams of yeast, 10 grams of sugar and 8 grams of salt and whisk into a bubbly froth. I then whisk in slowly 600 grams of bread flour, and just when the mixture is looking a little dry, add in 2.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and mix well. Remove the dough and place it into another bowl that has been lightly rubbed with a little olive oil. Cover with cling film and leave to rest in a warm place for about an hour. Meanwhile, chop a spring onion, pour a glass of wine and wait patiently. After an hour, remove the dough from the bowl and cut in half. Place both halves onto baking trays that have been covered with parchment paper and cover with a tea towel for 15 minutes. Mix 1 egg with a little milk, which will be brushed over the dough. So after 15 minutes, remove the dishcloth, score one of the loaves about every inch using a sharp knife, and as I'm baking one plain loaf and one with jalapenos, cheese and spring onion, I only brush the egg mix over the one that will be the plain loaf at the moment, and then once finished, place that to the side. Sprinkle a little flour onto a cloth or board and place the dough on top. Using your fingers and palms, flatten the dough into a rectangular shape. Sprinkle some cheese of your choice onto the dough, add the spring onion and strategically place the jalapenos onto the dough, leaving a couple of inches of dough clear at one side for folding. Roll the dough from the opposite side and pinch in the edges using your fingers. Replace the dough onto the parchment paper, score about every inch or so with a knife and brush with the egg mix. So just about finished, and 25 minutes in the oven, 200 degrees. We should have a couple of nice loaves. Loaf number 1 ready. Number 2. One jalapeno, cheese and onion loaf and 1 white loaf. Jalapeno cheese. Looks nice. This video was taken on location at the beautiful Lake Annecy in the French Alps. We were surrounded by beautiful mountains, and the old town of Annecy, known as the Venice of France, was absolutely stunning. I'll leave a link to the full video at the end of this video. So that's it for this video, guys. We do hope you enjoyed it. And while Nessie is in storage and we're here in Florida, I'll try to upload a couple more of our van cooking videos as we've been getting some good feedback about them. It would be appreciated if you could click the like button, subscribe and click the notification bell, as that helps our channel to grow on YouTube. And as always, remember to live today like there could be no tomorrow. Thanks for watching.